the students and the parents that are at home for the summer, looking for ways to stay cool right now. Chief Meteorologist Scott Padgett joining us now. Scott, the temperatures out there dangerously hot.
They are dangerously hot. Temperatures feeling like they're in the triple digits, 105, 107, 108, and also we're dealing with some strong to severe storms. Let's look at the radar right now. You're able to see that we do have thunderstorm activity pushing out of Oklahoma, some outflow boundaries there, and it's not a surprise that we are seeing these storms really develop because we have so much moisture in the atmosphere. You notice that right now, one severe thunderstorm warning in the east sides of Cook County, another one just being issued till 5 o'clock northeast of Gainesville. So Gainesville, you're in between both of those storms, but you notice they are traveling their way from north to south or relatively slowly. So a lot of heavy rain in some spots, maybe winds gusting up to near 60 miles per hour, and then widening out the view. That's about it right now for North Texas. So we have the heat advisory in effect until 8 o'clock this evening because of temperatures that are feeling much warmer than they actually are. Right now, the actual temperature at Love Field is 97, but it feels like 108. And that's the story across the majority of the Metroplex and North Texas. These temperatures very dangerous, feeling like anywhere between 105 to 109 across the Metroplex. So into the evening hours, our rain chances go up to about 40%. Our temperatures cool down to about 90 degrees by 9. This is all with a weak cool front that's going to pass its way through North Texas overnight tonight into tomorrow. So with that passing through, our temperatures only warm to the mid-90s tomorrow. Our winds at the surface will be out of the north-northeast, and rain chances will sit at 20% to maybe 30% into the afternoon. You see that on the future sky forecast. Here's the shower activity tonight. There's the front that then passes its way on through, and then behind that, the potential of some storms developing force. The other story, we travel from here and widening out the view to the tropical system in the Gulf. Take a look at this video coming out of New Orleans and dealing with, again, a turbulent atmosphere. This is a water spout over Lake Pontchartrain near New Orleans. That's from a Twitter handle for today. Someone's seeing that saying, hey, call into work. You don't have to go. There's a tornado, but that stayed out over the water. And then a lot of flooding rain as well. They are dealing with a large amount of rain, and that's a big concern in New Orleans as this system will continue to just develop more over the next 48 hours. Already now there is a hurricane watch in effect for pretty much the mouth of the Mississippi over to near Cameron, Louisiana. So South Louisiana, a hurricane watch remaining in effect. And here's the reason why. You're able to see that New Orleans and also the southern Louisiana coastline already seeing some of the rain. And the track of this system with a forecast model shows that it's going to be pulling its way possibly into southern Louisiana by the end of the week and then getting closer towards the weekend. So here's the latest forecast model. One of the European forecast models pulling it. A lot of rain going through Friday into Friday night into Saturday. Possibly we will see Tropical Storm Barry, and I'm thinking maybe Hurricane Barry, a Category 1 hurricane going into Friday and then into Saturday, then making landfall and then moving inland. So with that close enough by, we have some rain back into the forecast for Sunday into Monday. Cooler temperatures, but then after Tuesday, it gets up to near 100 degrees.